Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. We have learnt a part of this dua. Now we'll take the remaining part. We have La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah. And we studied this on Everything is Known to You. La ilaha illallah, there is no God. Illa means except. Illallah, except Allah. Wahdahu, He is alone. La is no. La sharik, no partner. Lahu, to Him. Okay. Lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu. For Him is the kingdom and for Him is all the praise and thanks. This is also known to you. Lahu is for Him. Al mulku, the kingdom. Walahu, and for Him. Alhamdu, all praises and thanks. Lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu. Wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. And He is, ala means on, kulli means every. Okay, kulli means every. And shay means thing. Kulli shay, everything. Ala kulli shay, everything. Qadir is all powerful, and He is over everything, all powerful. Analyze and memorize. Again I repeat, you can memorize it by dividing these 3 lines into 9 units, one each. So amsayna wa amsal mulku lillah walhamdulillah on the first finger, then la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah, and the third one lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.